Walkam to RHE Channel 2025 John Deere 250K Dozer. It's possible there's a mistake in the model name or the designation. John Deere's Dozer naming typically uses P-tier, X-tier, or older models, but doesn't appear in their published lineups as of 2025. Here's what I found and some suggestions. Deere's current Dozer series include small, midsize, and large dozers. For midsize dozers, John Deere has models like 700 P-tier, 750 P-tier, 850 P-tier X-tier in 2025. Deere recently rolled out new 950 P-tier and 1050 P-tier dozers as replacements improvements over preceding models. Also, Deere is applying a 75th anniversary badge to dozers built in 2024 to 2025. Possible explanations and suggestions. You might have mixed up with another model. Perhaps you meant or prefix in another Deere machine. The designation is older. Deere appears to be moving toward P-tier X-tier naming for their newer dozers. If you meant a John Deere 250 excavator, bulldozer, or another model, I can look up its specs.